Hello guys, welcome again to another episode of Pinoy in Australia. So as you can see right now guys, I had removed all the front seat and the middle seat of my Toyota Kluger. So the reason is the flooring of this Toyota Kluger is flooded, and the reason why it got flooded is I'm suspecting that the air condition drainage system is blocked. So I'm gonna show you the water guys. This is the middle flooring. See guys, when I step, there is a water. So that's water guys. So those water come from the air condition guys. So I still need to remove the center console so I can pull out the flooring carpet guys, the matting, because the carpet of the vehicle is inserted in the middle console guys. So I need to remove that middle console. So what is the common cause why the drainage system of the air condition is getting blocked guys? So the common issue why they get blocked guys is when you use the fresh air of the air conditioning guys. So if you're going to go here in the control of the air conditioning guys, you see this button guys, make sure this one is turned on. So if you turn this one off, the air condition will suck air from outside the vehicle, which is contaminated by leaves, dust, and once those leaves and dust manage to pass through to the pollen filter, there is a pollen filter behind this glow box. Those foreign materials will block the drainage system of the air condition. The pollen filter guys doesn't guarantee 100% that it will filter the air coming inside the vehicle. So avoid using that fresh air recirculation guys. So if you need the fresh air guys, just open the window guys. Don't use that button guys. So it's a really big job guys, because you need to remove all the panel on the side near the door, then remove the seats, and after that I already managed to clean all the seats, so I take advantage cleaning the seats while they're off the vehicle guys. So I clean them with water and with soap and with Downy guys to make them smell good. So this also make situation good because I can clean the interior of this vehicle guys. So right now, this past few days it's been raining. Like this morning guys, the rain is very strong, and now it's turning hot. But look at the sky, it's a little bit dark, so it means it will rain soon. So if I pull out this carpet, I cannot guarantee that it will get dry in one day, because the weather right now is changing. Sometimes hot, sometimes it suddenly rain. So that is the weather in my place right now guys. Sometimes it rain for half day, then get hot for a few hours, then it rain again. So I will continue stripping this vehicle guys. So when you do this kind of work guys, the first thing you need to do guys is to remove all those panel there in the edge of the exit. Once you remove those panel, you can remove all those cover in the mounting bolts of the seats. So every seat have 4 bolts. For example, on the left hand side passenger, 2 at the back, 2 on the front. So in order for you to access the bolt of the mounting of the seat, you need to remove the plastic cover first. So they're all the same. So once you remove all those bolts, guys, you can start removing all the seats. Then after that, you need to remove one of the side panel. So what I did, guys, is I removed one of the air condition panel, guys, because I have also issue with the AC motor, guys, AC blower motor, guys. So once you remove the panel, you can lift this carpet up to the half area, but only half. You cannot fully pull the carpet of this vehicle because of the center console. So you need to remove the bolt securing this center console and totally remove this one, so you can pull the entire carpet. So once you pull the entire carpet, you can start cleaning the carpet, make it dry to the heat of the sun. And while the carpet is off, you can start cleaning the flooring, removing the water, guys. So that is the situation on this vehicle right now, guys. So when it's done, I'm going to show you what will be the result, and I will also show you how to dismantle the center console of this vehicle. It was a little bit tricky, guys, to remove this center console because there is an air condition control on this area, and also so it means there's a wiring inside, and those cigarette lighters also, there's a wiring in there. So that is our plan, guys. So I will update you. Okay, guys, this is the rear AC motor of our Toyota Kluger, guys. So this is the condition of the carbon brush, guys. As you can see, this one, guys, let me turn on the flashlight. As you can see, guys, this one is totally worn out, guys. See the wire, guys, it already hit at the end of the slot. So that is the maximum travel of the carbon brush, and this carbon brush is no longer having contact with the slip ring, guys. This, it won't touch on this one, that's why it start rotating. So I try to buy a second-hand rear AC fan on Wreckers, but they're selling me the rear fan $300, guys. $300 for a used AC fan motor. So my plan right now, guys, is to purchase a carbon brush and replace this two carbon brush. So this one is not totally worn, this is still little bit more, but it already reached the maximum travel, guys. So the wire already hit the slot. So the way how to fix it, guys, is to replace the carbon brush. I will try to find whether I can purchase the carbon brush. If not, I may going to improvise, guys. I will try to buy big battery, guys, the biggest battery, and get the carbon brush in the middle of the battery and use that carbon inside the battery as a replacement for the carbon brush of this motor, guys. So on ordinary battery, guys, the one that you use for flashlight, guys, I think that's double A or single A, the biggest one. It got a big carbon inside, guys, and we can use it as a replacement carbon brush for this motor, guys. Okay, guys, I already assembled the motor, guys, and I already tested it. It's working fine, guys. So what I did, guys, is I ordered this carbon brush from eBay. This one, guys. This is what I ordered, guys. So let me get one, guys. So as you can see, those are the old carbon brass. I break the old carbon brass and I reuse the old wire. So this is what I ordered from eBay, guys. So when you order this one, it comes along in 4 packs, guys. It means in 4 pieces, 4 set of carbon brass. So that's what I use, guys. So what I did is I cut the wire, then I drill it, then I inserted the old wire, you know, that wire for the carbon brass. I reused the old one, then I put glue, just this glue, guys, that glue. So right now, guys, it's working fine. I tested it, it's working. Then I'm going to reassemble it, put it to on the housing, and let's see how long this will last, because the carbon brass is this will last for maybe 5 years, 10 years. And that's very long carbon brass. I didn't cut any part of this carbon brass. What I only cut is the wire, then I drill it, then I put the old wire in the area where I drill it, then I put glue so the wire will not come off. So I save heaps of money on this one, guys, because used motor from the wreckers is $300, guys. That's how expensive it is, even a used motor. So this one is much better than used motor if you buy it in eBay on the wreckers, because you got much longer carbon brass. This one will last long compared to the used one, because if you buy a used one, it will not guarantee you that it will last long, because maybe the one that you're going to buy will have almost worn out carbon brass, guys. Okay, I'm going to put it back together, guys. Okay, guys, I already put it back together, guys. So it's in one piece again, guys. So the only hassle when it's come to assembling this one, guys, is, you know, when you insert this motor, guys, and also during removal, guys, this shaft moves. So you need to be careful when assembling this one. Make sure that you put this shaft into the right length, guys, because it moves to the body of the rotor, guys. So make sure when you assemble it, you put it into the right position. Then once you insert it, make sure this shaft doesn't move. So make some kind of marking, because this one, guys, this top plastic, guy, is some kind of block for this pan blade. And once you put it back, make sure this hole, guys, is aligned to the hole of the motor, guys. Because you need to put back that screw, and make sure that you know that terminal, guys, there is some kind of locking mechanism, guys. During removal, you need to press that one, compress it, and during installation, you need to expand it. Once you insert it, it will lock automatically, and you will hear a click sound. Click. It means that terminal there is locked onto the housing of the motor blower. So the next step is to put it back to the rear evaporator of that vehicle. Okay, guys, it's a moment of truth. We're going to check whether the fan that we had repair is going to work, guys. But I already checked the fan. I already tested it on the ground, outside the vehicle, using the power probe, and it works. Right now, I'm going to show you guys the actual operation of the fan while it's mounted on the evaporator housing. So right now, guys, the rear AC is on. See, the green light is on. The front air condition is on. As you can see, the temperature in the front is somewhere in, let me see, that is somewhere in 10 degrees, guys. 10 or 11 degrees centigrade. So let's go on the back. So as you can see, the wire is not yet plugged. When I plug this wire, guys, when you hear buzzing sound, it means the fan is working. So let's plug it. Not yet, because the rear switch control switch is still off. Okay, this is the rear switch for the air conditioning. We're going to turn it on. So this is the control pan. So I can hear the pan working now, guys. And guys, as you can see, as you can hear, the fan motor is already working, guys. You can hear that hissing sound because the carbon brass is not yet really sitting on the slip ring. It's making a noise, guys, because the carbon brass is not totally sitting it on the slip ring, guys. As the works continue working, it will grind the carbon brass and it will totally become pit on the slip ring, and that noise will come out, guys. So right now I'm happy that it's working. Okay, guys, I'm going to put back together all these sidings of the right hand side of the vehicle. I'm not going to show you guys because I already made a video regarding this reassembling and removing this evaporator housing. I think I did it on the part 1 of this AC problem, guys. So just look into my videos. Just go to my channel and look for the videos. You can see how to dismantle and reassemble this cover, guys. So once again, guys, we fix the problems, guys. So this video, I will end up this video up to here only, guys. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, guys, please consider pressing that subscribe button. Please press that notification bell so you will be notified every time I do a video. Please press the like button, guys. Okay, guys, see you in the next video, guys. Paalam, goodbye. See you in the next video. Okay, paalam, goodbye. Hello, guys. Ito, pumunta na naman po kami sa Surface Paradise sa Gold Coast. Sobrang lamig, guys. Lakas ng hangin. So makikita nyo parang may hamog, guys. Ano po yan? Parang hamog yan galing sa dagat. Iniipan ng hangin galing sa alon. So mararamdaman mo na dumadampi sa balat mo yung yung parang ambon. So pagkagaling dun sa multicultural event doon sa simbahan, dumiretso na kami dito. Medyo matagal-tagal naman kami nakadalaw dito. Kaya pumalsyal na naman. Nakakabato na sa loob ng bahay. Dito, lakad lang guys. Exercise. Oo, ngayon, sa 7 o'clock na. 7 na ata. 7:02. 7:02 na ngayon dito. Yung lugar na to, boy na boy po ito. Gabi. Dito natutulog yung lugar na to.